Let's take a case study on non-reciprocal method. Suppose the expenses of two production departments A and B and two service departments X and Y are as under. You have expense of department X, Y, A, B, and the apportionment basis is also given. Expenses of department X will be apportioned to Y, A and B because department X has rendered some service to Y. That's why department X expense got to be apportioned. Whereas the expenses of department Y, service department Y, have to be apportioned only between A and B and not with X. Reason being, it is only the department X which is rendering service to department Y and department Y is not rendering any service to department X. That's why we call it as non-reciprocal method as well. Okay. So let's get started. So what will happen here? This 2 lakh will be split into 25%, 40% and 35%, and it will be added to department Y, A and B, so that we get to know what is the total cost for Y, A and B, and the total cost of Y including this 25% from department X will be apportioned to A and B. Let's see. Summary of overhead distribution. We have departments X, Y, A and B. First, let's write the amount that was given in the question. For department X, it is 2 lakh, department Y 1 lakh 50, department A 3 lakhs and department B 3 lakh 20,000. Right? Now, let's apportion the expenses of department X. Expenses of department X. What is the total expense? 2 lakh. Since we are going to apportion it, let us write it as minus 2 lakh so that we don't carry it forward. Okay. So 2 lakh minus 2 lakh. It means we are going to apportion this 2 lakh between 3 departments. What are the departments? Y, A and B. What is the ratio? 25%, 40%, 35%. This can also be expressed. I mean, this is the share, right? This can also be expressed as a ratio. Ratio is 5:8:7. This is nothing but 25%, 40%, 35%. Okay. So that 2 lakh should be apportioned to Y, A and B. And what is the proportion for Y? 25%. What is the amount? 2 lakh. 2 lakh into 25%, that is 50,000. Or you can also take 2 lakh into 5 divided by 20. How 20? 5 plus 8 plus 7, 20. 5 divided by 20, that will give the share for department Y, which is nothing but 25%. Okay, so 2 lakh multiplied by 25%, 50,000 goes to department Y. Then 2 lakhs multiplied by 8 divided by 20, 80,000 goes to department A. 2 lakh multiplied by 7 divided by 20, 70,000 goes to department B. So here what we have done, we have apportioned the expenses of department X to service department Y and production department A and B. Now let us total. For X it is going to be 0 because 2 lakh minus 2 lakhs. For Y it is 1,50,000 plus 50, so 2 lakhs. For A it is 3 lakhs plus 80,000, 3 lakh 80,000. For B it is 3 lakh 20,000 plus 70,000, 3 lakh 90,000. Now it's time to apportion the expenses of service department Y to production department and not to another service department because it is non-reciprocal. So we will apportion the expenses of department Y on what ratio? Question says 40%, 60% to department A and B. That 40%, 60% can also be expressed as a ratio of 2:3. Okay. So expenses of Y department can be apportioned to department A and B on the 2:3 ratio. So what is the expense? 1,50,000 plus 50,000, 2 lakh. So this got to be apportioned, right? So we will deduct it. Minus 2 lakh, or we'll indicate with a minus sign so that we don't carry it forward. So this 2 lakh multiplied by 2 by 5. That is nothing but how much? 40%, right? So 2 lakh multiplied by 2 by 5, 40%. 2 lakh into 40%. 80,000 is for department A. 2 lakh multiplied by 3 by 5, 60% is for department B. Okay. So now let's take the overall stock position. 2 lakhs minus 2 lakhs nil. For department A, 3,80,000 plus 80,000. So 4,60,000 for department B, 3,90,000 plus 1,20,000. It is 5,10,000. Okay. So we started with 4 departments. First we apportioned department X to service department Y and then to production department AB also. Then we got the total expense of department Y, which we apportioned only to the production department because it is non-reciprocal. Only X is rendering service to Y and Y is not rendering service to X. And eventually we came to the total cost of the production department A and B. For production department A, it is 4,60,000 and for B, it is 5,10,000. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you like this lecture. If you wish to learn more on the areas related to this topic, check our comprehensive course. I have shared the details and link in the description below. Click, sign up and enroll. I'll see you inside the course.